Have you ever looked at your bank statement and wondered where all your money went? Or maybe you've got subscriptions you completely forgot about, draining your account month after month. You're not alone. We're all trying to navigate the complexities of personal finance, and in today's digital age, that often means trusting apps and services with our sensitive financial information. And when it comes to money management, one name that pops up frequently is Rocket Money. But the big question is, can you really trust it? After all, you're handing over access to your bank accounts, your spending habits, and your financial life. That's a huge leap of faith. So, let's dive deep and address the elephant in the room. How can you trust Rocket Money? First, let's acknowledge the skepticism. It's perfectly natural to be wary of any app that asks for access to your financial data. We've all heard the horror stories of data breaches and security lapses. So, what makes Rocket Money different? Data encryption. Rocket Money employs bank-level 256-bit encryption to protect your data both in transit and at rest. This means that your information is scrambled and virtually unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it. Read-only access. When you link your bank accounts to Rocket Money, it's typically through a secure API that provides read-only access. This means that Rocket Money can view your transactions and balances, but it cannot move money or make changes to your accounts. Third-party security audits. Reputable financial apps like Rocket Money undergo regular third-party security audits to ensure their systems are robust and up to date with the latest security standards. This helps identify and address any potential vulnerabilities. Privacy policy. Rocket Money has a comprehensive privacy policy that outlines how they collect, use, and protect your data. It's worth taking the time to read through it to understand their practices and your rights. No selling of personal data. Rocket Money states clearly that they do not sell your personal data to third parties. Their business model is based on subscription fees, not data monetization. FDIC insurance. Rocket Money itself is not an FDIC-insured bank. However, the connected bank accounts that you use are FDIC-insured. Beyond technical security, it's important to consider the company's reputation and track record. Established company, Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, has been around for several years and has built a sizable user base. This longevity and growth indicate a level of trust and reliability. User reviews and ratings. Check out user reviews and ratings on app stores and independent review sites. While individual experiences may vary, a consistent pattern of positive feedback can be a good indicator of trustworthiness. Media coverage. Look for mentions of Rocket Money in reputable financial publications and media outlets. Positive coverage can lend credibility to the company. Transparency. Rocket Money is relatively transparent about its business practices and security measures. This openness can help build trust with users. Let's break down some of Rocket Money's key features and how they relate to trust. Subscription cancellation. This is a core feature that helps users identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions. Rocket Money automates this process, but you ultimately have control over which subscriptions are canceled. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money can negotiate lower rates on your bills. While this can save you money, it's important to understand the terms of the negotiation and ensure that you're comfortable with the outcome. Spending tracking and budgeting. These features help you gain insights into your spending habits and create a budget. Rocket Money analyzes your transactions to provide these insights, but you retain ownership of your financial data. Net worth tracking. This feature aggregates your financial accounts to provide a comprehensive view of your net worth. This requires access to your account balances, but Rocket Money uses secure APIs to access this data. Credit score monitoring. Rocket Money offers credit score monitoring, which requires access to your credit report. This is a sensitive area, so it's important to understand how Rocket Money protects your credit information. Even with all the security measures in place, it's still prudent to take steps to assess trust and minimize risk. Start with a free trial. Many financial apps offer a free trial period. This allows you to test the app and its features before committing to a paid subscription. Link a secondary account. If you're hesitant to link your primary bank account, consider linking a secondary account with a smaller balance. This can help you get a feel for the app's functionality and security. Monitor your accounts. Regularly monitor your bank accounts and credit reports for any unauthorized activity. This is a good practice regardless of whether you're using a financial app. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Protect your Rocket Money account with a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Review permissions. Carefully review the permissions that you grant to Rocket Money. Only grant the necessary permissions for the features you intend to use. Contact customer support. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact Rocket Money's customer support team. A responsive and helpful support team can be a good indicator of trustworthiness. Stay informed, stay up to date on the latest security best practices, and be aware of potential scams and phishing attempts. Consider your personal risk tolerance. If you are highly risk-averse, no amount of security will be enough to provide peace of mind. Some might think the savings are too good to be true. How can they negotiate my bills down? Volume and data. Rocket Money uses aggregated data from its user base to identify trends and negotiate better rates with service providers. They leverage their volume of users to gain negotiation power. Automation and efficiency. They automate the negotiation process, which allows them to handle a large volume of requests efficiently. Success-based fees. In some cases, Rocket Money charges a success-based fee for their negotiation services. This aligns their interests with yours, as they only get paid if they save you money. They are not magicians. They are using data and automation to find savings that many people do not have the time or skills to find on their own. Ultimately, you are in control. You choose what subscriptions to cancel, what bills to negotiate, and how to use the app. Rocket Money is a tool to help you manage your finances, but it's not a replacement for your own financial awareness and responsibility. So, can you trust Rocket Money? The answer is nuanced. Like any financial app, it comes with a degree of risk. However, Rocket Money employs robust security measures, has a solid track record, and offers valuable features that can help you manage your finances more effectively. By understanding the security measures, taking proactive steps to protect your data, and using the app responsibly, you can make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.